Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back. Last day of the project. It's been a while. But we must move on to other things, so it is okay. We're gonna have fun with the next one. And I exist. Hello. Hope everybody's doing well on this Wednesday, middle of the week. We are going to take care of the last bit of the last chore that we have for this project, which is basically just go through all of the test cases that are failing right now, figure out if we need them, change them if we have to make sure that they align with the current code. And after that, we are going to just go through the whole CI pipeline. I think lint, rector, pest, all the things. The objective is to, at the end, have a green status on everything, and then just deploy. There will be sections of the code that I want to keep for reference, so I'm not gonna have them tested or be included in the code coverage. Mainly the Twitch API integrations and the TTS part that we're not using, but I want to keep that there just in case I ever need to reference that in the future. But yeah, that is the last thing we are going to do for this project. And moving forward, on Friday, we are going to start a rather shorter project, I think, which is going to be to take this baseline of a code, the overlay that currently works with only channel point rewards and follow alerts on Twitch, and we are going to try and implement that overlay, but also for YouTube. I'm not sure what is going to be the trigger for YouTube as of now. I don't want to make it super chats just yet. I don't think it's worth it just now. I would rather just have maybe a command trigger the whole thing, which we already have. If, as a reminder, if you want to send a TTS message to the stream, all you have to do is use !say or !s and then space and type the message, and that way you can send a text-to-speech message to the stream, both on YouTube chat and Twitch chat. And later on, my objective would be to have that message be shown in an overlay with the user name and the user avatar, both on Twitch and YouTube. And probably we'll have a special command so that you can choose whether to use the overlay or not. I think that'll be a nice feature as well. But let's not dally. I'm pretty sure we have a lot of things that are broken right now, so why don't we just rip the band-aid, as they say. I'm going to create a new branch for this. Let's see. No, just new branch, please. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna run the tests on the terminal here, just so I have more space to see the errors and stuff. Sometimes doing it in Visual Studio Code, it's a little bit like too compressed and I have to scroll up and down. So I'm just gonna do it here. So I think first thing we need to do is composer test. See what breaks. A lot of things. I think the first thing is we need to run a lint. Yeah. Let's do lint. Just fix all of those files. Good. That was the easy part. From here on is gonna be an uphill battle. Oh, what is this? Oh, no code coverage is the driver is not available? Why? Why? Did I change something in the php.ini? Let me go and check. Open configuration files. We're running on PHP 8.3. 1, 2, and 3. Ah, yeah. I commented out the code. Let me make this bigger. No, dude. It's not what I want. There. Okay. Let's try that again. Ugh. So many red X's. Go on. Why are you taking so long? Ow, that was a long time. Okay, let's go one by one and figure all of this out. Jesus Christ, that's a lot. Okay, show Twitch event tests. Let's start with that one. Table Twitch events has no column named file path. Okay, so yeah, we remove that column because we don't use any files in the table anymore. So let's go ahead and fix that. Show Twitch events. Oh, I have to open. Is it not open? Oh, my bad. Oh, come on. It shows all Twitch event records here. So this factory is failing right now. Let's go and change that. Ads should start momentarily. Just remove this. And All right, for this part, I'm actually going to run this test file from here. If I remember what was the command, command p test.
The stream is now paused for ads.
All right. I'm just gonna run the test file while we wait for the ads. Why does it take so long? Boof. Go. 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 Okay. We're back from the ads. Okay, so next error. Failed asserting that actual size 0 matches expected size 3. So this is still failing only because we are not creating... We're not showing the events on this so show Twitch events class. And I don't know why. Let's go and see. How many events? What would happen if I go to that page actually? I'm curious because I completely ignored that the actual list of events for a while. Let me go and check. This is taking way too long. Even heard. It's taking way too long to actually run. I feel like I'm gonna have to restart this thing. That's an absurdly long time to run. No, 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 no. Oh my God, hurry the fuck off. Yeah, this is way too long. I'm going to restart this computer. Seems like it's running out of resources or something. Whenever it starts to act funny like this, I would just rather go nuclear. So I'm gonna close everything. You go away. The good thing is now that I'm streaming over there on my PC, I don't have to worry about canceling the stream on these situations. You can go away, go away, go away, go away. So let's do restart. I'm gonna lose my main light because it's connected to the computer, so if things go dark, that's the reason. No? Oh, okay. Not on restart. Actually, it did. Okay. Let there be light. Thank you. Alright, let's try this again. Magic. Now, my question is, we should have a lot of events or not? Are they in pass? Yes. But here's the thing, why is it that when I create new ones, they do not pass? They do not show. Hmm? 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 Why? Huh. That is interesting. Or maybe not, actually. No, it should. This is a computed property. Or is it not going to work on computed properties? Hmm. It's empty. That's curious. Oh, it's the type column. Let me check the... So there is a type column now, and the factory file, the factory class is not filling that. Let me go and check. Let's go back to the test. Wait. Okay, now. All right, yeah, okay. So yeah, the factory by default is not filling out the reward type. We must have introduced that later on. So we just have to manually set it, and now it's retrieving records, which means that I can remove that and run it again. Should pass. And there you go. Okie dokes. Only show events that have not been played. Probably the same error. Yep. Actually, I'm gonna copy this. And this as well. All right, that's good. It marks an event as played. Factory create, refresh, call mark as played, and expect event refresh not played at, not to be no. I feel that this error, it's a reverb thing. Yeah. Let me start a reverb window, or server rather. Now it's passing. Okay. So this file should be fine now. Okay. All right. All right. Let's go back here, add a new tab. Too few arguments to function. Okay. Twitch event received test. It throws an exception when Twitch event is handled. Let's go to this. All right, so it's requiring a new an extra parameter. Let me go and check this. Okay, it is expecting the type now. I'm guessing it's the same thing on pretty much everywhere. Yes. Over here. No enum for type? No, I didn't think it was necessary. It was like very late in the project. I don't think I'm gonna need it. It dispatches a Twitch event. Hi Willie, how you doing? Dispatches a Twitch event, receive event when webhook is called. We are not using webhooks anymore, so we don't need that test, do we? Let's go and check. Yeah, we don't need this. Yeah, this one I don't think we need either because, again, we're not using webhooks, so we are not receiving any data from Twitch via webhooks. It creates a TTS record. It creates a record. It's no longer a TTS record. In the database, when the Twitch event is handled, event message. We are not using OpenAI anymore, so we can let's remove this from here. Set up Twitch user request. What was this for? Oh, okay. It's for getting the profile and the username. So this we are still using. So we create an event. We handle it. It goes in the database. It should be fine. Or not. Oh. Okay. The colors. One sec. I'm gonna kind of cheat here because it's a different request. I'm just setting up a fake response for everything that has to do with twitch.tv API. And one of those calls is the request to get the user color for the chat. We added that later on. We didn't have a test for it. So right now I'm just going to add this key and let the test pass. There you go. We don't need this anymore. We don't need a message ID, timestamp, or challenge body. Or by that effect, we don't need a webhook secret either. Not using webhooks anymore, so we can just basically remove the entire for each. And that's it. All right. All right, let's take a look at Twitch event test. Too few arguments for the... Okay, that's basically the same thing. Twitch event test. Ooh, Twitch event test. Dispatches a Twitch event create event when the Twitch event receives handle. That's fine. We just need one more parameter here for type. Okay, anywhere else? Yes, down here. Let's remove this unused commented code. Again, we don't need any of this crap anymore. So we don't need an OpenAI request setup. That goes away. We do need the user request here. Create a new event. Create a new listener, handle the event. Hacer that event, Twitch event created has been dispatched. All right. Let's run this file. And it passes. Good. Oh, forgot this. There. All right, good, 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 good. All right. Okay, okay, okay. Twitch event received test. We already changed that, didn't we? Yeah. This is fixed already. Show play Twitch events test. Okay, so that's for... Okay. This is probably the same error with the reward not being set by the factory. So let's go ahead and fix that. Show played Twitch event test. Let's see. Yeah. That was it. Just a missing column. Okay, so that's fixed. What's next? That's done. Show overlay test. It returns an unauthorized response when the overlay... We're not using a secret anymore, so we don't need that test. Show overlay test. This is not needed. It's under authentication now, so loads an event record when an event ID is set. New event. Make sure that the state is correct first and foremost.
The stream is now paused for ads.
All right, let's take a break. I think this one's gonna be pretty easy too. Okay, nothing too serious, nothing too bad so far, which is good. 10 seconds. Boof. Go, go, go. 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 Okay, we're back. All right, so this file is fixed. Also, I don't need an overlay secret passed into the component. So let's remove that. Jeez. Should still pass. And it does. All right. That one's done. That's good. Twitch controller test handles the webhook callback notification request. This is not needed anymore. Let's go to Twitch controller test. This is fine. We still need that. We still do that. Redirect to Twitch on call. Yeah, that's fine. Handles webhook. We don't use webhooks anymore. So, it returns an unauthorized response. This is webhook related. Gone. Returns a bad request response status when the message type is missing. Again, webhook's gone. Bad request when the response status. Okay, you're gone. And you're gone too. You as well. Boop. So that means we can probably get rid of a few things in here. Challenge body. We do need a user and an account probably. We don't need this body. Webhook secret, we don't need it. We're using a message anywhere? We are not. So yeah, let's get rid of this and this. And account we're not using anymore, so just the user. Get rid of this, get rid of that, and this as well. We're not using you or you. Run this file. Passed. Good. Next. Oh, that's it? All right, let's try it. Composer. Let's do lint just in case. Yep. And then test. All right, we have some problems with coverage, which I expected. Okay, let's see. The synthesize service, 0%. We are going to ignore that enum completely. Actually, not that enum. That's enraging. The enraging thing. We're going to ignore that for code coverage. In fact, I can just delete that thing completely. I'm not going to use it at all. But I still want to use those messages at some point. So for now, I'm just going to ignore it. Let's see. How did one ignore some code? Code coverage ignored. Start. Okay. Let's go to enraging.php and I'm going to just ignore from here. Oh, that's in a comment. Thank you. There. Twitch account updated. Yeah, ignored. That facade is going to be ignored as well. And most likely whatever the service is doing. Like that. All right. That one was already ignored. What's next? Facades, Twitch, no. Should be ignored, but it's already covered, so I'm not gonna worry. Twitch controller. Huh. All right. Why is that at 0? Well, yeah, we don't need any of this. We don't need that event. We are not using this anymore. Yeah, let's get rid of this method. And the clip one is being ignored and not being used at all. I wonder if I want to keep that for now. Well, maybe. For reference. Token, refresh. that, okay. Is it being ignored? Ignore end. Ignore start. Yeah, it's being ignored. Okay. That's all right. Twitch controller. You, who are you? Text to speech, facades. That's already done. Twitch controller. Twitch validation middleware. We don't need it. We don't need that middleware anymore. And in fact, should just remove it. Am I using it in a route anywhere? I don't think I am. Yeah, I'm not. No, yes, I am. But I just removed that event, so we can actually remove this entire this all goes away, which means I can pretty much just delete that middleware. Or I could just keep it for reference. And it's not being used, so it should not be included in coverage either. We'll see. Twitch event listener. 34 and 38. I'm okay with that. All right, let's run this again. No. Let's see how much we are up to right now. Oh, we're not passing tests. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay. So we have a Twitch validation middleware test that is just not going to work. And this route. Twitch event subscription from test. All right. We don't need tests for this anymore. 60%. Still trying to count it. Okay, let's ignore that. Ignore that entire thing. What are you doing there? What? Oh. Which event card from 33 to 34? Huh. Okay. We're not playing audio. So, bye. App service provider. No, that's Fortify. I don't care about that. Text-to-speech service provider. We don't need that anymore. So let's go and modify that. Text-to-speech service provider. All right. Since we are not using webhooks, we are not going to use the subscription form event anymore. So I'm going to just ignore that entire thing as well. and probably we'll have to modify the total that we need to pass, because everything else is just 45 and I don't really need to care about that anymore, so, or at all. So let's go ahead and Twitch event subscription form, let's go to there. All right, I'm gonna take this and just move it all the way to the beginning. There. And then take this and move it all the way to the end. There? Yes, I think. Wait, what's going on here? Ooh, I just messed up the entire... Ugh. All right. Screwed up the indentation. Hold on. So instead of doing that, apparently it doesn't like to do that. I'm just gonna take this, delete, paste, and then delete, and paste. Okay. All right. That passed. Okay, what is this? Returns. Okay. What? Twitch controller. Hold on. So it's complaining about this property. Don't remember how I fixed this before. Oh, with that. And by the way, this is called refresh. Well, no. What was the line? 92. Also 105. 1010. Eleven and 14. Ugh. Oh. Wait. Mm-hmm. All right, we just have to, this is the easy part. We just have to fix the return types of several classes. Let's start up here. This one is from Twitch event subscription form, which we don't use anymore, but whatever.
The stream is now paused for ads.
All right, let's take a break. Hmm. All right, welcome back. We are going to fix this. It's requiring a type for the parameter on 104. Also on line 61, parameter and return type. That is all that is on the show overlay file. Line 61. What is the type of this? This is an array. And the return type is nothing. Actually, yes, it's something. It's either nothing or response, is it? Ah, shit. You know what? There. Solved. I'm not using that. And line 78. I'm guessing it's this one, or was. That's an array as well. Okay. Then Twitch controller, return type 9, line 90 and 98. What is the return type of this? I don't care. Oh, come on. And then finally, the return type of enraging, line 12. They should be all. And that's it. Kind of speed running that one a little bit, but yeah. I just wanted to see not red, sorry. I wanted to see green, pass, everything done, finito. Let's commit this, sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah, all that is good. Create pull request. And merge. Alright, cool. I'm just gonna switch real quick to Windows and bring those changes down. What happened to Windows? Oh, hold on. Ooh. Oh, what's going on? We're good? Okay. Let's see. GitHub, come on up. Come on up, GitHub. And just to be safe, I am going to restart the Reverb server. And also the queue. Yes. Okay. And now I'm going to head over here and refresh the overlay. Make sure that it's not showing any errors. And it's not. Let me give it a try just to make sure that it's still working.
Tuto1902 with 50 channel points said, "This is a test message."
And nothing happened. Crap. As in crap. Well, that is disappointing. Let me see if there's something in the logs, maybe, that it's not working. Let me see, OBS, where are the logs in OBS? It's not able to connect somehow. Let me debug this real quick. No, that actually worked fine. Huh. Let me refresh it again one more time. Maybe interact with it? No. Refresh. Uh-huh. It's not able to connect for some reason on OBS. Here is fine. But OBS is saying some error. There is a subscription error. But it works fine here. Do I have to... Alright, I'm just gonna delete it and create it again. There is something weird here. Let's remove you. Create a new browser overlay. The size is 1920 by 10. No. 1280 by 720. Okay. Make it big. And can I interact? Seems to be logged in. Right. Let me see the logs. I hate these errors, man. It works fine on the web browser. It doesn't work on OBS. And I don't know why. It's failing here. And supposedly this... Okay, why? Why, you ass? All right, let me do some debugging real quick. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna move the logs over here so I can see them. I do this, refresh. Can you refresh for the love of God? Okay, so I don't see any errors anymore. No, there it is. You asshole. Why are you saying that this is an object? Can't you give me anything else? Hmm. Oh my dear. Oh, what is that? 429. What is status code 429? What? Okay. One second. Rate limit exceeded? What? This is something else. No, that's not what I want. 429. Where are the response types? Come on. This is quite strange. So apparently I'm reaching my limit for requests. That's the only extension rate limits. I don't know why this is happening today of all days. Yeah, this is quite stupid. I'm gonna close this overlay here. Oh, you guys can't see the log window. So I just refreshed the overlay and I don't see any errors. So I'm going to try and test it again. Maybe it was a fluke. Let me check the queue first and foremost. Queue is there.
Tuto1902 with 50 channel points said, this is a test message.
Okay. So apparently if you retry too many times within 1 minute, I don't know how many times that is, it just says, no, you have a timeout and you have to wait a whole minute to make another request, which is weird. I don't know why that happened. But there it is. It was a one-time thing and now it's working. Gotta keep an eye on that. Okay.
The stream is now paused for ads.
Right on time, huh? All right. Okay. That's done. I'm gonna keep you running there. And you can go away. Oh, I need to compile the whole thing. Hey. Oh, there you are. All right, that's over. And I think for now we are done. On Friday, we are going to start another integration, as I mentioned before. But this time we are still going to work with WebSockets, but this time we are going to connect to StreamerBot, so that we can show the overlay for both YouTube and Twitch text-to-speech messages. So that's going to be a nice integration, so that both chats can have the same experience. And once we're done with that little experiment, we're going to go to the next project, which is going to be a 4-in-a-row game between me and you. So, since there is nothing else to do today, why don't we just end the night with a nice little game session. Let's go and play some Blasphemous to finish off this Wednesday. All right, I'm gonna turn the music off. Change that. Where's the controller? Oh, all the way over there. Let's change the category of the stream. And finally, switch to this. Okay. Let me try and remember what were we doing here. So we're just exploring, I guess. What's over here? Okay, closed. And I guess we can't go up, can we? Maybe we can, it's just annoying. Oh, I remember why. And it's because there is a little lady over there. Oof. Nope. Oh my god. Wait, no, it's this side. Where did she go? Down here. So tough to kill. I don't... It's just too strong. And now you're there. Okay. Stop moving! Jesus. Right, this is me going outside. So yeah, we have to go outside and maybe move forward a bit more. Oh, jeez. Ah, these things. Ow! Didn't think you were gonna get me there. Oop! I cannot get up there, can I? No, I can't. Yeet! Yeet! Ow! This is just annoying. Oh, wait. I think I see a way up. Can you stop following me, please? Thank you. There's a shortcut. And now we can do... Nope. This. And... No, I can't reach. Alright. Maybe I can. Hold on. First of all, you can die. Alright, let's try this. Nope. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's too far. Damn it. So, what then? Huh. This is annoying. Just let me pass. Thank you. Can you turn around? There you go. Just makes me think that I should not be here. Yeah, I think we reached the limit to what we can do in this place. Oh, look. Gold nugget. And there's a save point here, which is great. Okay, so we can't reach there. It's too high. We can go through there. It's locked. And it's probably unlocked from this side, which we cannot reach. And therefore, and I don't remember this door here, but I'm guessing that's locked too. I'm guessing, based on my vague recollection. But what we can do is, I think I'm ready to go back. Hold on. I think I'm ready to go back to the new area, which I couldn't reach areas before we had the double jump, I think. I don't remember. Let's go there. This area is way too strong for me. Actually, I don't need that. Just travel to the city. All right. So, yeah, let's go up here. I think with the new double jump, it's going to be a lot easier. Okay. Save here. And let's go up. This area seems strange. Kind of looks like this door is going to open at some point. I'm guessing. And those statues. No. Yeah, they don't seem to be relevant. Question, can I reach that now? Oh, come on. Answer, yes, I can. Whoop. All right. What do we got? The Demented One. That's a statue, isn't it? Increases the duration of Blood Pact, which I don't really use. So there's that. All right. What did we have up here? Closed door. Let's go up this way. Okay. Ah. Empty receptacle. So that's another... what? Glass vessel able to contain the blood flowing from the crimson flesh touched by the miracle. Used to increase the number of bile flasks. So one more health potion. And that is redeemed on the blood lady over there. So let's keep that in mind. See, we're already making progress. Good, 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 good. Nothing to do there, I guess. Okay. And what about you? All right. Never came back here. Wait, wait. All right, so bonk. Oh, great. We needed not to fall, apparently. Huh. All right. Oh, shh, don't fall. All right, so let's do this. That goes up, and I do that, and this, and bonk, and this, and already it was a baby. I remember now. It was a wee baby that we already get. Oh, my memory. Ow! What? Come on, dude. What? You... oh, calm the fuck on. Just burn. Jesus. Can you... jump too early? That was my bad. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a better weapon for that guy. Not what I wanted to do. You asshole! What a freaking swing! Oh, come on! Trying to jump over you. Jesus. Over here. I can't remember why I didn't like this place. Yep, that's why. We gotta get past that though. There's the only way. Just have to do better. But before that, I need to go and get maybe another health flask. Yeah, let's do that. Where's the... Hold on. Yeah, I don't have a hand nearby. And I don't remember what was that for. Wow. Anyway, back to the city real quick. I was just there and I don't remember the actual place. Nope, this was not it. Hello, lady, I'm here for my... Oh my god. Okay. Clearly have problems.
Now I shall grant thee a new flask.
Thank you.
Bring me more vials. Bring me chalices and...
Oh look, a new flower. Concentrated... What? Concentrated... Sphere of guilt. Significantly reduces the amount of guilt the penitent one drops on death. I should put that on. But where? Increases resistance to damage. Elemental. Maybe miasma. That's the one I'm not really dealing with. There. Oh, forgot what I was doing here.
A new flower on my mantle. It is yours. I feel the guilt flow into me on the wings of frigid tremors, and my spirit seems numb, submissive. I will continue to serve thee as my purpose dictates. So,
Yes.
so be it. The sacrament has been completed. Now go in peace.
Anything else around here? Nothing new? No? Apparently not. Alright, let's go use the hand. Nope. Can't use the hand. There is no hand where I'm going. So here's what I'm going to do. The enemies here are very not... Oh, not what I wanted. I need to use a different weapon for these enemies. I need to parry, basically. So I'm going to increase the stats of this weapon. Pressing R at the last moment unleashes the devastating... Yeah. Strikes multiple times. Yeah, let's get that. That's for the parry. How can I get it? Acquire. Why can I not acquire? I have 11. What? Oh, for crying out loud, come on. There. Oh, have to hold it. Ah. I'm dumb. Alright, so increases the ability to stun enemies. Base defense. Yeah, I need that. Okay. Hits during blood pack regenerate the penitent one's health. Increases the base damage. Yeah, base damage I do need. There. And finally this one. Yeah, that's a combo. Not really into that. Okay, so as soon as I hit during the blood pact, I can regenerate health. Maybe that's good. So let's get this one to stun enemies more easily and regenerate health on strikes. Hold R and Y. Okay, so when that thing is full, R and Y, and I hit like a truck. All right.
stream is now paused for ads.
That's not right. All right, let's take a break. I think that's a bug. I don't know how that thing can be knocked down and still hit me. Maybe I'm touching it? I don't know. Feels unfair. Ugh. Okay. All right. And we're done. No, don't do that. Oh my god. Frame rate is not great. What's happening with you? Come on. Can you please stop doing that? There. Wrong weapon. Okay. Here we go. I parried. There. So it's 1, 2, 3 parry. 1, 2, you ass. I wasn't looking at my health. Bad, bad, bad. 1, 2, 3, and okay. 1, 2. You can't be close. You see how strong these things are? 4 hits and I'm dead. Oh, come on. I'm pressing R and... Okay, it's gone. That's why. Really? Really? Okay, that's a little better. This place over here, nuh-uh. That's bullshit. Okay. What are you? I forgot about you. Okay. Oh my god, just die. Die, 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 die. We made it. Oh, thank God. Okay. Can I go there? No, it's too high. Can go up and down. Let's go up first. Okay, I know what that is. Hello. Oh dear Lord, what are you? Missed the time on that one. Oh, you're annoying. Jeez. Just get over here. Face plant. Oh no. That's not fair. Come on, dude. Oh dear. Oh, you, another one of yous. I had healing, I didn't use it. Okay, so we know what's up there. Let's see what's down here. Okay. Bong, bong. I hate you. I hate you so much. Okay. Again. Yes, second level. Do we still have points? I think we have some. Let me check. 5, okay. Increases fervor gained. Reduces fervor consumed. Base damage, yes, please. Redeeming. You can hold a charge Veredicto in the air. What? You can hold a charge Veredicto in the air. Release Y in the air to perform an... Oh, I see. So air attack. Yeah. Sounds cool. So I can do this and do that. Is that it here? No secrets? No invisible walls? That's it. Alright. Ow. Votive offering of the miserable. What is that? Slightly increases... No, wait. Slightly increases resistance to all elemental damage. I already have one of those. And it's better. Oh, well. Let me put a mark here. There's a chest right over there. Oh, it's a widow baby. Can we reach that baby? Barely. Oof. Oof. There you go. What do we have here? Shortcut. Oh, that's the Widow Baby Tower. Which is open from this side now.
help us by free.
Yeah. Okay, so we just need to suffer over there. Oh, for the love of God, just heal. For once. I'm okay. Not mad. It's fine. Oh dear mother. Okay. Come on. Really? So... Just go. Okay. That was better. Wait, where's the bell? Let me guess. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. That is awesome. Can just stay here. Just do that. Okay, and that just stayed there. All right. Heal. Okay. We're making progress. We are making progress. Shortcut, baby. All right, we can go up or left. Let's go left. What in the what? Oh, a hand! Nice. More shortcuts! Yes! Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I know what this is. Oh, okay. There you go. A fervent kiss for the little hand. Ooh, that's barely made it. Nope. Okay. Never mind. I have a shortcut and I can save. Things are red. Red is bad. Don't like red. What are you up there? It's a chicken wing, I think. I hate you. Oh, jeez. Chicken wing. I'm gonna move over here, if you don't mind. Yep. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. There's a Wheater baby. Bong the Wheater baby. Alright, so to open this... Oh, jeez. I need to go high. High. Wait, there is a shortcut over there? Can I go low instead then? Oh my god! Jesus Christ. Okay. I hate those rocks. Let me change weapons. Open this. Where is the statue for that? Wait, can I do this with a... No. Yeah, I don't like this. This is bad news. Just hit something. Oh my god. Two of you? Really? Ow. 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 Hurts so bad. Oh, you. No, 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 no. God damn it. Just heal. Oh, for the love of God. Just die. Just die. What? More? Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it. Unless it's just you. In that case, I might make it. No! Fuck me. Damn it. Blah, 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 blah. That was tough. Like, actually tough. Was it this way? Yes. I think. Yeah, this way. Okay. Ooh. Let's do this. Ah, shit. That was bad. That was bad. I don't like it. That was bad. Ah, Jesus Christ. You guys are absolutely annoying. Here, let me get behind you. Oh, I can't do that? Okay, let me just do this. Bong, 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 bong. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, for the love of God, let me... This is completely a bad position. Yep. All right. Oh my goodness. So I can just stay in front of him. I don't need to jump behind him. Yeah. Now this guy is annoying.
The stream is now paused for ads.
Okay. So after that, it's just one more venomous, one more green guy, and we're done. But that guy is just that. I can do it. I can do it. Do I have anything here for... Yeah, projectiles, that'll be useful. Instead of elemental. Yeah, let's switch it. Oh, Jesus, no, not that. I press B instead of A. Okay. 5 seconds, and we can continue. Be gone. Okay, here we go. And I chose the wrong weapon. I'm not leaving until I get through that. Don't know why you choose that weapon. I am not leaving until we can go through that. All right. Ah, block that one. Just die. And now it's you. Oof, that was close. Yeah, hope this is the last one, by the way. Don't do that. Don't get greedy. Come on, bonk it, bonk it. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Jesus. Thank you. Wait. How is there a door over there? I don't know. What is this? Chapel of the Five what? Chapel of the Five Doves. And there was a guy with doves somewhere. I don't remember where. Where was that guy? Oh, and we have something new over here. Oh yeah, the fervent kisses. The kisses. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Oh yeah, it was that guy. But it was different. It was someone else. Somewhere else.
Penitent one, be pleased to receive this gift that a candid voice in a dream asked me to give thee. A voice whose owner shall always be unknown to me.
Mm-hmm. Key of the Pilgrim.
O heart that descends from heaven, what doth thou seeketh from us?
Key of the Pilgrim. Oh yeah, it was this place. I don't remember how I got here in the first place. It's you again. Hi.
The miracle shows us mercy, and bestows upon this shadow the right to speak. Never will I comprehend for what exalted reasons I was chosen to witness and narrate the events by which the miracle sought to return to us. For many eons have passed since it abandoned us. Oh, I see my request was granted, and that blessed pilgrim delivered my offering to you.
Okay.
Cast open the cages whose keys were stolen.
Wait a minute. There was... Wait, what are you going to do?
Dove, who borrows thine color from the raven, escape your gilded prison.
That is one. What is that? What was that? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The mother said, follow the heartbeat that heralds the birth. What? The father said, for envoys wrapped my body in soft linen clothes. I do not understand, but I do remember. Oh, there's a new thingy over there. Huh. How does one get over there? So I remember that there was a raven here, which was it's like a fairy, but I don't remember what was here that didn't allow me to continue. So maybe we can go there and check. And also, how do I get up there? And also, there are 2 doors that are locked there. And also, I don't know where that door is. So many thingies, so many things, so many things. Let's keep going this way. Oh, hi, you horrible, horrible thing. All right, we reached the other side. How? Oh, there is a widow baby over there. How do we reach the widow baby? Okay, so let's try that. Alright, okay. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Hey, chicken wings. Can you move? Thank you. Just keep walking. There you go. Aw, missed the chicken wings. So I can just go here and do this and boom. And that'll take me here, which was apparently another shortcut. Yep. And where was the widow baby? Widow baby. There's the widow baby. How does one reach the widow baby? Huh. Can I? No. Oh, there's another blue thing over there. And I can barely reach that high. Oop, nope. Ah. Nope. I'm gonna mark this with a widow baby face. I said. There. Can I? No, too far away. Ah, okay. Can't go through there because of the little thingies that I don't know how to use. Awesome. And also there is a blue thingy up there. All right. Oh, look. It's a thingy. 5,000 tears. All right. What is this place? It just keeps going. New area? This is a new area. Completely new area. Oh, okay. So this takes me down here, and there's a place there that I just couldn't reach. Son of a bitch. All right. What's here then? Is that it? Guess I can reach that side with the double jump. Boop, boop, Barely made it. And actually, no, I didn't make it. No, can't make it. Unless I can do this, this, and bonk, and there you go. Oh my god. Ow. Ow, what? Oh, it's an enchant. Summons a guardian for a certain period of time who attacks nearby enemies. Okay, cool. How am I going back? How am I... Yeah, I just have to do that, I guess. Thank you. Yeah, that was it. Other than that, we have been to this... Wait, what is that? Locked door? I'm gonna go and check that. Ow. Where is the door down over here? Oh, like this. Whoop. It's a blue thingy. That. Let's replace that then with... this. Is that... no. So yeah, other than that, we can go here maybe? I haven't been there. There's a door I haven't gone through. Let's try that. Ow! And double ow! I can hear a sister. Huh. What was that bell for? I think it's above me. Oh, it's okay. It's that thing. Alright, never mind. Okay. Yeah, can't get through there. Right. Yeah, I guess I have to go back to this place and start searching for stuff that I haven't been through. Like there, there, and there. See if I can start looking for a way to get up there. So for now, let's just head back to the city. I'm gonna use this. And then the hand to get close to where I want to go. Oh, right. There was something else. I have to go here. Let's go there real quick. I brought kisses. That's more fervor.
With my assistance, your further is already growing, as I so promised thee. Grant me more kisses, and we shall proceed with the sacrament. What was down there? Oh, it's I can't reach. I remember. I remember. Yeesh. Don't mind me. Nope, nope, nope. Just nope. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. Next time I'm going to explore this area, make sure everything is covered, and try to go up. Alright. Let me go back here. And do this. Let's see, who are we going to raid? Turn the music on. Hoodles it is. Yes, sir. All right, I hope you have a great rest of the week. See you on Friday for a new experiment with WebSockets. If you haven't done so already, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitch. See you on Friday. Hope you have a great day and rest of the week. Bye.
Are small.